Before cleaning the oven, the following points should be taken into consideration. Verify that the device is disconnected from the power supply. Ensure that the device has been properly cooled to below 50 C. Cleaning should be daily, except for the catalytic converter filter, which should be cleaned every 6 months. All this considering a daily use of the oven. We should not use abrasive or flammable products, and use only products recommended by the manufacturer. How to clean the inner chamber. What will we need? When the camera is lightly dirty, we will need a microfiber cloth, warm water and neutral soap. When the level of dirt in the chamber is moderate, we will need a scouring pad for delicate surfaces, warm water and neutral soap. When the level of dirt in the chamber is heavy, we will need a scouring pad for delicate surfaces, warm water and FM detergent. The first step is to remove the food support tray. The second step is to remove the removable top tray. To do this, remove the 2 screws that hold it in place. This can be done manually or with a flat screwdriver. Once removed, the tray can be extracted from the inner chamber. Finally, with the microfiber cloth, water and soap or detergent, we will proceed to clean the interior of the chamber. Special care should be taken with the protective covers of the microwave outlet ducts. These covers should never be cleaned with corrosive or aggressive products not recommended by the manufacturer, since they can cause an immediate deterioration of them and a malfunction of the appliance. How to clean the air filter. In this case, we will need a microfiber cloth, warm water and FM detergent. The first step is to remove the outer cover of the air filter. The second step is to remove the air filter. Finally, we proceed to clean the filter with soap and water or detergent. After this, we will dry it with the cloth. How to clean the upper removable tray. In this case, we will need a soft, non-abrasive cloth, warm water and neutral soap. The first step is to remove the top removable tray, as indicated in a previous step. For cleaning, it is recommended to soak it for at least 30 minutes in a solution of warm water and neutral soap, in order to soften the remains of food and facilitate cleaning. When it is clean, we will proceed to the drying with the cloth. How to clean the food tray. In this case, we will need a scouring pad for delicate surfaces, warm water and neutral soap. The first step is to remove the food tray. Now, we will proceed to clean the tray with water, soap and scouring pad, as with any other oven tray. How to clean the catalytic converter filter. In this case, we will need a soft non-abrasive cloth, warm water and FM detergent. First, we will have to remove the top tray to be able to extract, later, the support cover of the catalytic converter filter. Now we proceed to remove the support cover of the catalytic filter. To do this, remove the screws that hold it in place. Once removed, pull the cover outwards to extract the filter, and carry out the cleaning procedure. Finally, to carry out this task, it is recommended to put the filter under an abundant jet of lukewarm water and, if necessary, use FM detergent products. To dry the filter, use a soft, non-abrasive cloth.